Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So remember, this YouTube channel is to show you exactly what you need as a web design using WordPress. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to get Elementor Pro for free. Yes, you heard me right, Elementor Pro for free. So pay attention to this video and watch to the end. Make sure you follow and subscribe, or you hit the button to subscribe, and also like this video, because I'm new on YouTube, but everything I will be sharing with you people is authentic, nothing fabricated, nothing edited. So let's dive in directly into the video, and I'm going to show you how you can get Elementor Pro for free. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow this video to the end. Okay, so as you all know, I believe that anybody that's watching this video already know what Elementor is all about. Elementor is a plugin that allow you to customize your website in WordPress. So sometimes when you just have Elementor, like here you see we just have Elementor, that is, we don't have Elementor Pro, we just have Elementor. We have a limitation to our customization. So there are some features that we cannot add unless we subscribe to Elementor Pro. So now I'm going to show you how you can get these Elementor Pro features for free. Yes, you are not going to pay any dime, you are not going to send any money to anybody. All you need is just a plugin that you are going to install, and you will have all the Elementor Pro features. So if we press Elementor here, you are going to see that it is asking us for an upgrade. Now after we install this plugin, you are not going to see any upgrade button here. So pay attention and follow up wisely. So the first thing we need to do, we have to come into add plugins. You come to upload plugins. Make sure you follow the steps very well. All these things you're seeing on the screen are just ads. So when you press upload plugin, you scroll down. Wait, you have to press upload plugins. Voila, until it shows you this place where it says if you have a plugin in a zip format, you may install or update it by uploading here. So the plugin is like a file, it's in a zip format. So I'm going to drop the link in the description below, where you'll be able to download the plugin, or if you don't see the link, you comment below and I will send you a link so you can download the plugin. So the name of the plugin, let's go, you have to scroll down. So the name of the plugin is Pro Elements. Pay attention, the name of the plugin is Pro Elements. So this plugin is going to give you all the Elementor Pro features for free, and you'll be able to upgrade this feature every month. That is the way you update your plugins and everything. So, and it's going to work perfectly with any WordPress that you have. So we install now. It's installing. So remember, this video is going to be unedited, it's going to be authentic, and it's going to be just the way you're seeing it. So this is our plugin. We activate the plugin. So the plugin is activated. So this is our Pro element. Let's read here. They say this plugin enables GPL features of Elementor Pro, widgets, theme builder, dynamic colors and content, forms and pop-up builder, and more. Note that the Pro element is not a substitute for Elementor Pro. If you need all Elementor Pro features, including access to Pro template library and dedicated support. We encourage you to purchase Elementor Pro. But you don't need to purchase Elementor Pro because this Pro element is going to give you everything in Elementor Pro. Now, you remember when we pressed our Elementor here, we had an upgrade. But now we don't have any upgrade. It shows that we already have the Elementor Pro's feature. Now let's test it. Let's come back. Let me try to edit. So I will show you the features that are the Elementor Pro features. My network is kind of slow, but that's why I said I'm not editing this video, so that you see the concept, you see it real. It's not like your average video on YouTube where you have to cut and edit and everything. This is the real deal. I'm showing you exactly what you need. No turning around. There's no turning around. You just need, what you need is just this video to have your Elementor Pro. So make sure you comment below, or I'm going to leave the link in the description below where you can download the plugin directly, and you just install in the form of a zip in your whatsoever. If you have a Mac, if you have a Windows, it's the same thing. Now come back to here. You're going to see this is basic, right? Basic is just for Elementor, that is simple Elementor. Now you're going to come to the Pro features. You're going to see that we have all of the Pro features. We have the login, the price table. We have all of the features here. All of the Elementor Pro features are here. Now this general is when you just have Elementor, the basic Elementor and everything. So you are going to see that all of the features are here. It's just that at the beginning I forgot to open this part, so you can see that this part is not available. You will see but a lock, and this place is going to be locked and everything. So this is how you can get Elementor Pro for free. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, you give me a like, and I'm going to be dropping videos like this every day. That is videos concerning WordPress, things you need to know in WordPress, all the things you're supposed to know in WordPress directly, no editing. So thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Let's get it.